In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, spewing ash into the sky. This volcanic event altered wind currents, leading to the year without a summer in 1816. Crops failed in Europe and North America, causing widespread famine. Mary Shelley, inspired by the gloomy weather, penned Frankenstein. How did a volcano in Indonesia lead to literary horror? The altered wind patterns spread ash globally, blocking sunlight. This unexpected twist in weather history shows how interconnected our world is. The event left a lasting impact on agriculture and literature. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.